Superintendent ke Pulet ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Syiem haga arpusau trek ujeliau arajar arpusan ula pentep bagi langut ke beliau kem dakakan huan Special Investigation Team kabalalech Indore halo ke Jingtohkit ban penduk pendam kisaki hak baidai bagi jingsya peniap uraja hasora on Wanrah no iki Shillong na kebenta ban Pynlong ya ke Jingtohkit ke Bniah Laban kedau hang ni bagi kenhun Pulet na kejela ke kem ya ulo kendra sing tomar uba Nagwalior Madhya Pradesh ubade utrai jong kayeng ha dewas naka kabla aiwai shaka sonam Raghuvanshi bahkan sa hadian bakla ban peniap ya uraja bat ban petri Indore nalor kani ki Pulet kejela ke ru ban kem ya usilom James ubla aiwai kayeng sha Vishal Singh Chauhan wei nagi basubadan keti ban peniap ya uraja bat kunjuru ya security guard ubalbir akhir bar ya ubajukhat sen ubalu kibla syakem ha ka arpu arterek ujelio ya gini gilaingot la kem halo ke Jingtohkit ban penduk pendam ya kisaki halo kene ke jingja uba Vivek Syiem mulia tu bagi Pulet kelapan nyosni ka transit Remand naga benta ban la ban Wanrah ikni gilaingot kibla syakem ban Wanrah iki Shillong bat anda kilapoy Shillong ha ka sni palaipat kensara syajing syari Superintendent ki Pulet mulia tu ba ka jingsa ka sonam Raghuvanshi ha kana yeng ka badar Gwalior layo jingtep tang hadian balas tang ke Jingtohkit ke kenhun SIT bat ki Pulet kilalet chekne ka jaka ha ka shpau trek ujelio ndre kila syam ma kana yeng kala thli ki Pulet ki bala biang ya kisah sabut ban pensisha halor kene ke Jingtohkit ju kini laingot ki bala Jingtohkit ban penduk pendam kisah sabut ke badan Kham halor kene ke jingja Nalor kani Superintendent ki Pulet beli thuru bagi Pulet kilalap baga sonam bat uraj khoshwaha ki don nikawai ke company ka bagila temu ban penhe ya ka kam khai jongki Halor ke jingdawa ki bahayeng jong uraja ban le akan narco test uba Vivek Syiem ulong ba mi bahkan long ke badan Kham ban le akan narco test ha kan ka khlemat ke bamenta nama kan narco test ke balakhang da ka yeng shari ba head ha kari ke Supreme Court
See, when the assailants and other accused were picked up, they were picked up from different places. It's only when they were brought here that this whole thing was unearthed. It came to light that they had Sonam was staying in this flat in Indore. She had gone to Indore. In fact, we didn't know also which place. There's only other further interrogation, the 8-day interrogation, that we came to know that there was a place. And after the team found out that yes, there was a place, we informed Indore police and that place was kept on guard and all that. And it's only when the team went back that they found everything was empty. So this thing happened after the 10th. So we came to know only after they were brought here. Yes, destruction of evidence is an offence. Right from the beginning I said we've got adequate evidence, but see, it makes it very complete. The thing which was in Vesaudang and which had travelled to that flat, it connects the accused to the crime. So this is also a good evidence out there where it connects. So a person who destroys that evidence is actually also implicated out here. Nonetheless, we actually have taken debris of all the burnt material from there. Forensic team had come from Madhya Pradesh and we are sending that to the Central Forensic. So we'll ascertain what is there. Some pieces are there which are burnt, we are yet to ascertain. Probably it could be a phone also. There is no sign of any pistol or of any jewelry as yet. So once these people are brought here, we'll interrogate and extend the investigation as to where they are disposed of. Today, two people have been produced day before, and we got a 7-day remand, a transit remand. One more person from Gwalior was arrested yesterday. He's been produced today, so we are asking for transit remand. I think it's very, very clear that these people have destroyed evidence. Now, destruction of evidence is an offence. This is a vital evidence to the case and all that, whereby the gold of Sonam, the chain of Raja, is in that box. So the items which of the people who are here had reached Indore, and that becomes vital evidence. But these people had destroyed. So destruction of evidence, they are culpable. the plausible reason which I can see now is greed. So probably people got greedy, the accused have been arrested, box is still there, so must have thought let's check what is there, and then they found the cash, jewelry and all that, and must have taken that. Not knowing that, okay, police will be able to trace the whole thing back. And later realizing that yes, police will come and be able to ascertain who is there, these people, all three of them took off. One person took off to Hardwar, another person took off to Bhopal, and the other person to Ashok Nagar. So these people, just from their actions only, it just shows they are guilty and culpable. And we have proof of them taking the box out. So actually they're not involved in the murder per se, but they're involved in destroying vital evidence. We'll have to get Tomar out here for interrogation. And why did Tomar and Shillong James have to take that thing out? Was it greed? Was it something else?